Hey guys, it's Greg here at Discount Forklift in Phoenix. I am making this video for my new customer at Desert Sun Customs on the purchase of your lift. It's a sweet little unit. It's sitting right behind me. It's a Toyota, 3,500 pound capacity, electric 36 volt reconditioned battery. It's an electric stand-up aisle narrow lift. On top of this machine, there's going to be a service sticker on top of this mast. You're going to notice that, and that's going to let you last know when they went through the machine. It's a 3-stage fall-free lift. Up front, you're going to have your reach attachment and then your side shift attachment as well. But other than that, it's a sweet little unit. I'm going to show you around really fast, and then I actually want to show you some controls on this machine before I operate it really fast. This is going to basically be your main function handle. Pulling it towards you is going to allow you to make the unit go forward. Pushing it away from you is going to be the reverse. This function here is going to be your up and down. This function here, if you push that in, is going to be your tilt, or if you push it forward, is going to be your side shift. There's some buttons under here, and that's going to be your reach. And there's one button on here, and that's on the side for safety, your horn obviously. But sweet little girl, I'm going to hop on, I'm going to show you around really fast.